Good evening, one and all. Welcome back to our channel, Your Career, Your Life. Today, I want to share a live interview experience of Capgemini in this video. Whole interview has been recorded in Microsoft Teams. I hope it will help you to prepare for your interview. Before getting into the topic, let's roll the intro. Hello, sir.
Very good evening, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Sai Krishna. I came from Vijayawada and I'm currently pursuing BTech 4th year in NRI Institute of Technology with the specialization of Information Technology. I secured overall aggregate of 9.1 in my BTech and I got 97.2 percentage in my intermediate, and also I scored 10 out of 10 GPA in my 10th class. And coming to my achievements, I am a 5-star programmer on Hacker and Coding platform, and also I received Pratibha Award from our Andhra Pradesh State's ex-Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu. And I am very hardworking person and I can adapt to any kind of environment easily, and that's my strength. And finally coming to my hobbies, reading on Quora, writing articles on Quora, and making videos on YouTube. And also especially I want to say that I'm a admin of an Instagram page where I frequently post about Python programming, and that made me fascinated to learn Python programming very much. Finally, my goal is to secure a well-paid position in software sector. Yes, sir, that's it,
Okay,
sir.
Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your Hanker rank ID?
Yes, sir. Sir, I will share my hacker rank ID, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir. Because I forgot the
Okay.
name of the hacker rank ID. Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rate yourself on C, Java, and Python out of 10.
Yes, sir. Coming to C and Java, I'm pretty good in basics, sir. And coming to Python programming, I am actually fascinated to learn Python programming, sir, because I always do competitive coding on that, sir. So I rate 9 out of 10 for Python, and also 8 for Java and C, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's
My
good.
hacker rank ID is opening, sir. Yes, sir. BAY Betapudi Sai KR1, sir, is my hacker rank ID at the rate. Sir, I will share in the chat box, sir.
Uh, okay,
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Krishna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir. I will sharing in chat box, sir. Yes, sir. I have sent the ID, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. What are your strengths?
Yes, sir. Even from the childhood, I always enjoy to be a leading member of our gang. And one of my teachers, I mean, principal, gave me a title called Commander after watching my behavior and qualities in the school. From that day, I always study hard, not for the sake of me and not for the sake of my parents, sir, just to get a first rank. Then only I will become a lead of the class, and that will gave me more satisfaction at that time, sir. So finally, I want to say that leadership qualities are my strengths, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is your weakness?
Yes, sir. I actually lose patience at peak times, sir, and that was the biggest disadvantage in me. And nowadays, I am trying to overcome it, sir. I am trying to overcome it by convincing myself and motivating myself not to get angry at peak times, and to lead a successful life, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna, can you tell me about your project?
Yes, sir. Coming to my title of my project, the title of a project is Wink Mechanics, sir. The name itself indicates that wink means fast or speed, sir, and also mechanic means the person who repairs the vehicles vehicles, sir. And the aim of our project is we are building a platform. That means we are building a website, sir. It acts as a platform between the customers and the mechanics, and which is a way for communication between them, sir. And by our application, we are providing mechanics for customers 24 by 7, sir. And also this will help the mechanics to increase their income than usual, sir. And also we have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and PHP, sir, for our project, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Sai Krishna. Now we can move to technical side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, what is Java?
Yes, sir. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language, and also it was developed by Sun Microsystems, and it consists of mainly classes and objects here, because everything in the Java is depend upon the class and objects here. Here we can create any number of objects for a class, and a lots of mobile applications websites are developed using Java nowadays, sir.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
what are primitive data types?
Yes, sir. Coming to primitive data types in Java, yes, sir. There are 8 primitive data types in Java, sir. They're integer, float, character, short, double, long, byte, and boolean, sir. And coming to non-primitive data types, and string and arrays comes under the non-primitive data types, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are features of Java?
Yes, sir. Features of Java are simple, object-oriented, platform-independent, robust, portable, high performance. All these comes under some of the features of the Java, sir.
So, what you know about typecasting?
Yes, sir. Typecasting means converting the value of one primitive data type to another primitive data type, sir. This is known as typecasting, sir. It is mainly divided into two types, sir. That is winding casting and narrowing casting, sir. In the case of winding casting, here shortest size primitive data types are converted into, I mean, the value of shortest type data types are converted into larger types, sir. And coming to narrowing casting, um, larger size data types are converted into smaller size data types, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Mention some of the string functions in Java.
Yes, sir. Coming to string functions, we use yes, sir. Finding the length of the string, sir. We use if we consider the string as txt, we find the length of the string by using txt dot length of, sir. Length of, sir. Yes, sir. And all then next, and finally, and there is also a function which is used to convert into uppercase, sir. That is two uppercase of, sir. Here the T is small letter, U and C are capital letter, sir. And that's it, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you know about break statement?
Sir, sir, not audible, sir. Can you please repeat it?
Okay. What do you know about break statement?
Yes, sir. Coming to break statement, sir. The break statement is mainly used in two forms, sir. One when we use in switch case, sir, and other we use in loop, sir. And coming to switch statement, when a break statement when the break statement occurs, the control jumps out of the loops, out of the switch, sir. And in the case of loops, when a break statement occurs, the control jumps out of the loop, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, now tell me about continuous statement.
Yes, sir. Continue statement is mainly used to skip the current iteration and move with the next iteration, sir.
Okay. What
Yes.
is array?
Sir, array is a sir, just a minute, sir. Uh, Coming to array, it is mainly divided into two types, sir: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array, sir. And the definition of an array is similar data type elements are stored in a contiguous memory allocation, sir. That is an array, sir.
Okay. What
Yeah.
are its applications?
Sir, applications of array are array means yes, sir. Arrays are mainly used in CPU scheduling, sir, and also arrays are use it to get some of the data structures like stack, queue, and stack, queue, heaps, etc., sir. We use it to develop those data structures by using the array, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is method overloading?
Yes, sir. Method overloading means uh, in a class, the name of the methods are same, but the parameters are different. This is called as method overloading, sir. And return types may or may not be same, sir. In this case,
Okay, that's good.
yes, sir.
What is constructor overloading?
Yes, sir. Coming to constructor overloading, it is same as method overloading, sir. As we know that constructor's name is same like the name of the class, sir. Here, the name of the constructor is the name of the constructors in a class are same, but the parameters are different, sir. This is known as constructor overloading, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is recursion?
Sir,
What is recursion?
uh, recursion, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Recursion is a technique of a function calling itself, sir. Because by using recursion, we can solve many of the complicated problems in a simple way, sir.
Okay. Explain about halting condition in programming.
Sir,
Halting condition in programming.
yes, sir. Coming to halting condition, in loops, there is a concept called as infinite looping, sir. Same like that in recursion, there is a concept known as infinite recursion, sir. Here, infinite recursion means the the function never stops calling itself, sir. In this case, uh, halting condition refers to the condition at which the function stops calling itself is called as halting condition, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is class?
Yes, sir. Class is a blueprint to create objects, sir. And literally, it is a blueprint to create objects, sir. Class is a, and also coming to the class, we can create. If we can create a single class, then we can, with the help of a single class, we can create any number of objects, sir. For example, if we design a blueprint to design a car, then we can design many number of models in a car by using single blueprint, sir. So that is class, sir.
Okay, good, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is object?
Yes, sir. Object literally means an instance of class, sir, and also it is a real world entity, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about inheritance?
Yes, sir. Inheritance means uh, subclass acquiring the properties of superclass. I mean, acquiring the properties and attributes of superclass is called as inheritance, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about C and Python.
Yes, sir. C is somewhat known as mother of programming, mother language, sir. And also C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in AT&T Venn Laboratories, and it was mainly used to develop system applications uh, which can directly interact with drivers, routers, etc., sir.
Okay, now tell me about Python.
Yes, sir. Coming to Python, the father of the uh, Python was Guido van Rossum, sir, and it might be sarcastic to hear, sir, but the fact is Python was a hobby project developed by the Guido van. We generally write code in IDLE, sir. I mean, it is a type of editor, sir, and the full form is Integrated Development Environment, sir. And also, it was named after a person in the British comedy troupe, that is Eric Idle, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is a thread?
Yes, sir. Thread is a lightweight processor, actually.
In Java, what are access specifiers?
Yes, sir. Access specifiers are mainly divided into three types, sir. They are public, private, and protected, sir. And coming to public, uh, if we consider A, B, C are three classes, and those three classes are inherited to each other, then uh, if uh, if in class A and variable is declared as public, then it can be used by the class C also, sir. And if we come to the protected, sir, only subclasses can use the variables or functions or methods in that, sir. Yes, sir. And coming to private, sir, the variables or functions can only access it by that class only, sir, and that is protected, sir. Private, sir, that is private, sir.
Hi Krishna, I think default is also one of the access specifier.
Yes, sir. It is also one of the access specifiers, sir. I think in this tension I have forgot the name, sir.
It's okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Write a write a program to print even number which are divisible by 9 under 100.
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat one, sir?
Okay, Sai Krishna. Okay.
Yes.
Write a
Yes, sir.
program
Yes, sir.
to print
Yes, sir.
even number
Yes, sir.
which are divisible by
Mm,
9 under 100.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just, sir. Can I just share the screen, sir?
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Does my screen visible to you? Sorry, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just I will do it, sir. You have asked me to print the numbers which are divisible by 9, and those numbers should be even numbers which are under 100, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Sai
Yes.
Krishna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will do it in Python, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Under 100. Yes, sir. Completed, sir. Just I'm saving the code, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Uh, Sorry, sir. Yes. Just completed, sir. My system is a bit slow, sir. That's why it is taking some time.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The output is visible and the code is also visible, sir. Can you please verify it? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Sai Krishna.
Okay, sir.
Good. It's right only.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now you write a program for to check whether the string is alphanumeric or not.
Yes, sir. To check whether string is alphanumeric or it's yes, sir. Yes, sir. Simple. This is and beauty of fun. If yes dot is print alphanumeric. Yes, sir. I am giving the string. Yes, sir. The output is here, sir, and the code is also here, sir.
Okay. Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
The code is correct.
Yes, sir.
Now write a program to swap two numbers.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just I will take the input of two numbers and directly swap it, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Here we are taking the two numbers as a space separated numbers, sir.
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Here, see, sir. Before swapping, A is one, B is two, and after swapping, sir. Sir, can you please see your page, sir?
Okay, good,
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Krishna.
Yes, sir.
So I think your program skills are very good, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So it's nice talking with you, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Your final results will be sent to your mail.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Can I leave, sir?
Okay, Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. I hope the video will be helpful to you all. Please like and share our video.